Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Tommy Bites Life. So I thought I'd make a simple pizza. It costs so much to eat out now. So I grabbed this dough that's pre-made in this can, put a little bit of olive oil on my pan, and then I'm going to put the dough on here and stretch it out. Now you just want to add whatever sauce you want to add to your dough. Don't put it too heavy because you don't want to weigh the dough down as it bakes. This is going to be a sausage pizza. So first I'm going to add my mozzarella. And then I'm going to add my pepperoni. And I'm going to add my breakfast sausage. Is it breakfast sausage that I added to it? Yeah. I also took some extra cheese and put it around the edge, and then I folded the edge in so that that would be like a cheese bite also. This is the ground sausage. Normally I would bake my homemade pieces at 450 degrees. You want it to be as hot as it possibly can, or even 500. But for this one, I did it at 375. For one, my oven does bake fast. And here we are, a nice hot pizza in about 15 minutes it took. Slice it up and be careful when you take that first bite. Hope you enjoy. Hope you try this yourself. Just an easy way to make it without having to do the dough yourself.